Hook. What happens if your dash cam could catch every detail on your drive, even at night? Imagine crystal clear 4K footage for your road trips and peace of mind while parked. Well, let's talk about a device that promises to do just that. The REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam. Quick intro. Hey, it's Autovated. Today we're diving into the REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam, a device that packs a punch with its stunning front and rear recording, smart tech features, and enhanced visibility. Is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. Product overview. The REDTIGER F7N Touch is a 4K dash cam with a dual-channel setup that records both front and rear angles. It uses a STARVIS 2 sensor, meaning you'll get excellent visibility even in low-light conditions. It promises clear recordings in both day and night with a 170-degree wide-angle front lens and a 140-degree rear lens. It's not just about the resolution, though. This dash cam also includes WDR and HDR tech for better night vision. The device comes with a 128GB card, built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and even voice control. And the best part? It's designed with safety in mind, including features like emergency video locking and parking mode. Key features. Let's talk about the top features. 1. 4K UHD and 1080p dual recording. Whether you're driving or parked, the camera captures all angles with impressive clarity. The front camera offers 4K resolution, and the rear camera gives you 1080p FHD quality. 2. Voice control and touchscreen. With voice commands, you can control the camera hands-free, ideal for keeping distractions at bay. Plus, the touchscreen lets you lock emergency footage, activate Wi-Fi, and capture videos with a single tap. 3. Built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Both Android and iOS users can enjoy wireless control through the REDTIGER app, and the GPS feature ensures that your footage has traceable data on location and speed. 4. Parking monitoring. This dash cam doesn't just stop when you park your car. It features a 24-hour parking mode with motion detection, ensuring your car is monitored even when you're not around. Real-world testing and usage experience. I tested this dash cam on a few trips, and I've got to say, the 4K front camera is a game changer. The picture is crystal clear, and even at night, I could see everything clearly. The rear camera's 1080p quality doesn't disappoint either. I particularly liked how easy the setup was. The suction cup mount was sturdy, and the wiring tools made installation a breeze. One standout feature was the voice control. It felt smooth and responsive. And let's not forget the parking mode. It kicked in whenever the car was bumped, which gave me peace of mind during those long grocery store stops. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning 4K video quality, especially noticeable at night with WDR and HDR. Easy to install, with simple mounting and clear instructions. Voice control and touchscreen, great for hands-free operation and convenience. Parking monitoring, reliable feature for 24/7 surveillance, even when parked. Cons: parking mode needs a separate hardwire. Links to the product are in the comments, so if you want to grab one, go ahead. Until next time, drive safe and stay autovated.